But you ain't dropping that buy me a coffee link. You dig? Shout out to Six Bows being back. We appreciate that.
A 333. Three is the number of communication. So when anyone sees those three numbers together, they have to basically start communicating more. Whether it be going to a party, you have to be more social. 555, it might be a baby on the way. Five is number of sexual energy. 666, six is number of family. So again, most people think that's some kind of.
Oh my God!
Most people think that's a negative number.
Is that why they make it so negative? Because they're against the family unit.
Exactly. So it's not just that, but think about it this way: 666 is not the number of the devil. Okay, there might be a devil. I'm not saying he doesn't exist, but 666 is not the number. 666 is the number of time itself. 60 minutes in an hour, 6 and 0, 6. 60 seconds in a minute, 6 and 0 and 6. And 24 hours in a day, there's your 666. Very simple.
What are the reasons that people see these three numbers?
So here's the thing.
That cannot be coincidence.
No, of course not. Here's the thing. Everyone sees those numbers. Most people just aren't aware of it. They think of it's a coincidence.
We got a why people are leaving Kansas City video.
If I don't put it on the list,
shouts out to that town.
A lot of you are going to call me out for it. For some residents, the frustration has reached a point where they're seriously considering leaving Kansas City altogether. The only thing that's rising in Kansas City is rent and the homicide rate. People are leaving Kansas City, and some of the
Hey, shout out to that big homie. Y'all know to go check out my dude DJ is every day, multiple times a day, because you never know when he's gonna have a beat available for you or a vibe ready for you to know, just to study to something while you was working. I be need me some work music. Like right now, I'm surprised I ain't got something playing in the background. It's probably that one song playing in my head, because you know how that song in my head is. I think about it over and over again. Hey, but that's another topic. Shout out to that big homie. Y'all know to go check him out on Buy Me a Coffee, YouTube, Spotify, wherever you listen to music, because I'm pretty sure he posting. Yeah, you dig?
reasons might just surprise you. Every time I post on Instagram or YouTube, I notice this trend where people are expressing their frustrations with life in KC. The reasons behind this frustration are varied, from financial pressures to rising housing costs, but these comments are more than just complaints. They're part of a larger conversation about the challenges facing our city. Not too long ago, I posted about how you might need to earn $90,000 a year just to live comfortably in KC, and it blew up with nearly 300 comments. People were debating whether that kind of income should go towards a bigger house or a more modest apartment. And these conversations, coupled with the ongoing concerns about wages and the local economy, help explain why some folks are thinking about leaving Kansas City. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the real reasons why people are making the tough decision to move away from KC and what's driving them to look elsewhere. Now, let me be clear, I'm not trying to dissuade anyone from moving to Kansas City. Quite the opposite, actually. As a realtor, I've helped many of you move here, and I absolutely...
What's funny is I had a small 2 bedroom house a couple years back. When I was married, right? Yeah, small little 2 bedroom. The little deal was like 500 a month. Yeah, they want about 1,200 now for it, and I was like, "Are you crazy? That's like $700 higher than what it used to be back when I originally was renting that deal." And it was a small house. I mean, uh, I'd say, yeah, I could fit both of the rooms almost in this one room. So, shout out to having a bigger room. That's why we moved back in with our parents. Hell yeah, they was tripping. And I could have an indoor garden over here without paying more money. I mean, y'all get y'all a monetization coach. You did get you a coach.
absolutely love it. Shoot, I live in Kansas City myself. However, there's no such thing as a perfect city. For the number one reason, let's talk about traffic, commuting, and road work. This is one of my most viewed reels on Instagram, and it's racked up over 2 million views. The comments are hilarious. A lot of people agree that driving the downtown loop for the first time is incredibly confusing. Even though I drive there regularly, I still find myself second guessing which exit to take. If you spent any time navigating Kansas City streets, you know what I'm talking about, and it can be a mission that feels like it will never end, in potholes on almost every side street are also common complaints. These issues aren't